Start working out the right way. The first step to starting a workout routine is to set realistic goals. Think about what you want to achieve and how you plan to get there. This will help you focus on the right activities and keep you motivated. Once you've set your goals, it's time to choose a workout plan. Consider your fitness level, the type of activities you enjoy, and the amount of time you're willing to commit. Do some research to find the right plan for you. The next step is to create a schedule. Decide on a time and place for your workouts and commit to it. You can also use a fitness tracking app to help you stay on track. Before you start your workout, warm up with some light stretching or cardio. This will help your body prepare for the physical activity and reduce the risk of injury. Now that you're warmed up, it's time to get to work. Start with a few easy exercises to get your body used to the movements. As you progress, increase the intensity and difficulty of the exercises. After you've finished your workout, take a few minutes to cool down. This will help your body recover and reduce the risk of soreness the next day. Finally, don't forget to refuel your body with a nutritious meal. Eating healthy will help you reach your fitness goals faster. Getting into a workout routine doesn't have to be overwhelming. Just take it one step at a time and you'll be on your way to a healthier lifestyle.